Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Axie Infinity Arts. So today we are going to draw warrior Ganesha. Please check my previous video for Ganesha glow art also. And let me know in comment what type of art you want next. Or something in your mind, I will choose one of the theme and I will draw it. You can see I have started my drawing with really basic shapes, and after that I have used sharp pencil for darkening it. This time I have created some frame by frame animation at the last, so please stay tuned and watch until the end. This is my final art, hope you like it. And it's time for some animation. I would really like to thank you everyone for supporting and sharing my videos and all. Thank you very much for your support, it motivates me. Thanks a lot.